Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make tori no negi sauce. It's chicken with green onion dressing. The dressing is so good, so I make the dish to eat the dressing, not the chicken. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this tori no negi sauce, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some green onion. I'm using 3. 8 chicken tenderloin. Some salt and pepper. Half cup of potato starch or cornstarch. 2 tablespoons of sake. 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. 3 tablespoons each of vinegar and soy sauce, 1 tablespoon each of sesame oil and sugar, and some rayu chili oil, shichimi Japanese chili mix. I'm making the dressing first. Vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, rayu chili oil, shichimi Japanese chili mix, and green onion. So let's slice it. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half, put them together, and let's just make thin slices. All into the bowl of dressing. Give it a mix. And the dressing is ready. Chicken tenderloin. I want to remove this tendon, so prepare a fork. Put it like this. Grab tendon using paper towel and pull. And you can easily remove the tendon like this. Put it here, grab it and pull. Let's cut the chicken into half. Some salt and pepper, about a teaspoon. Sake, garlic paste, and rub. And let it sit for 5 minutes. Heat up some vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium heat, and let's stuff the chicken with potato starch. and fry them for 4 to 5 minutes. All fried, nice and crispy, so let's serve it. Let's put some chicken nicely here. And generous amount of green onion sauce. And 鶏のネギソース is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。The green onion sauce is simply amazing. It's great on chicken, but it's also great on other food, such as pork, turkey, seafood, even tofu. I hope you find your favorite combination. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 鶏のネギソース is a main, so let's put it here. Plain rice here and onion miso soup or any soup you like here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about kabocha no nimono for one of them and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!